Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have boxes here from Riley Blake that I'm going to open up. And I've already cut the tape, so I know what's inside, and I'll be able to share with you what I'm going to be doing with this fabric so that you can check it out on my or in my Etsy shop. And I've already got it in there, most of it anyway. So you can go now if you'd like to purchase anything. So I'm all out of breath because I've been like rearranging everything. So when we are receiving fabric for Christmas, it's always smack in the middle of the summer, or the beginning of the summer. I mean, depending on how, I think it's depending on how popular they think that the fabric collection is going to be, or just so they can release a little bit at a time, right? So what I have now is some fabric, and the fabric, let me see, do they have the, well, it's called Snowed In. It's by Heather Peterson. It's for Riley Blake, and this is the pattern. And I decided that I was going to kit up this pattern and sell it to you guys so that you would already have it kitted up. Now, it does not come already kitted from Riley Blake, so I'm putting this together for you, and I'm actually doing it in this version here with the white background instead of the blue. So that's something to keep in mind, that I have this kit that I've put together. Okay, so when you order that, you'll get this pattern. You'll also get a layer cake of Snowed In, and you're going to get the fabric for the background, and then you're also going to get some brown fabric, which will be for the trunks of the trees. And then you'll also get the binding fabric, and it is the exact specification that Heather Peterson has for the quilt she designed right here. So you're going to get, I'll show you exactly which one you're going to get. So when I kit it up, you're going to get all of the fabric for the main quilt top and also for the binding. I also purchased fabric for the backing. So if you'd like to do the backing, it's a separate purchase, and I do have that listed in my Etsy shop in the same listing. If you just do the drop down on the description, everything's in there. There's also a ruler that she recommends, and I have the ruler as well. So if you would like to buy the ruler because you don't have it already, I do have those in my shop as well. Okay, so here's the pattern. It's lovely. I love it. I thought it was like super cute. So that's why I decided to do it. Also because it's pretty simple. Like, you just have to have a layer cake, some background, and binding, and that's it, right? So it's a pretty quick quilt to put together. Okay, so this is the fabric for the binding. Let me pop that open. And it is a nice, vibrant pattern. It's a really cool looking plaid with, you know, as you can see, red, green, and blue in it. And I know that's not for everybody, but I really love it. And I just love how those colors just pop out of that black. This is perfect for binding. Okay, so I got that. And then this is the fabric that I got for the background. Like I said, it's the white instead of the blue. And it looks just like that. So it's like a multicolor snowflake on a white fabric. You can get a little bit closer maybe. And there you go. Okay, and I will show you the layer cake in a second because I've got those as well. But I wanted to show you what I got for the backing. And here it is. It is a really super cute. This is actually their main red fabric. And it's really cute for the backing. Okay. So hopefully you saw that pretty good. And this box only contains more of the, because I have like a 3 bolts of the backing. And then of course, if you don't want the kit, I do have some pre-cuts available. So I have the charm packs. And those are super cute. I'll show you on the back. Here are all of the fabrics. I will put all of the fabrics in a little photo at the end so you can get a better view of them. And maybe I'll put a few so I can just put like a certain amount per page and you'll be able to see everything. Okay, so let me see. I've got, I guess I have 9. Is that right? That's weird. Well, I have 9 charm packs. Unless I'm looking to see if something slid down the side, but I guess not. All right, so I have 9 charm packs. And then I have the fat quarter bundle. I'm trying to see how many. 26 pieces in the fat quarter bundle. Again, this is Heather Peterson. And there's the fat quarter bundle. And it looks like I have 6 fat quarter bundles. And then finally, I do have the layer cakes. They are here. Again, these are the fabrics on the back. I will share that in another graphic with you. And I'm going to have 9 kits available. So I did not do it for pre-sale. I thought I would just wait until I actually had them in hand. So they just went up into the shop, and if you order it, you get it now. You can get started now, or you can wait. It's up to you. And then finally, I'm not sure if I want to keep these for myself. I know that sounds terrible, but I've been getting these 1 yard cut bundles, and you get like 1 yard of 1/3 of the fabrics in each one. So I have these, and then these are like the reds and the greens, and then this bundle. And they have like a, you know, they named them. It's not saying what it is on here, but I mean, it's basically 3 different colorways, and you get 1 yard of each print that's inside, and there's like 10 prints in each one. So some of them have it duplicated. Like obviously those 2 have the same of some of the teals, but they're obviously different. So, okay. So that's what I have for Snowed In. I'm really excited. Y'all know that number 1 with Yvette, Halloween. Number 2, Christmas. So I am super stoked to have these, and I was so excited to do it because I think it's like so super cute. And you guys, I have like quite a bit. I mean, not like a huge amount, but I have quite a bit of Christmas fabric that's going to be coming in over the next couple of months. So stay tuned and see all of the great stuff that I have coming in. I don't have everything, obviously. I tend to get the things that I like gravitate toward. And if I don't have it in my shop, then it's possible, quite possible, that Stephanie will have it over in hers. And as you know, Stephanie is my sister shop. You can find out all about her shop if you go to my shop. Tells you exactly where to go. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching me unbox this Snowed In by Heather Peterson for Riley Blake. See you next time. Mwah.